This is Dogzilla S1. It's a programmable AI vision quadruped robot. Its body is made of metal material. Use Raspberry Pi as the main controller. Dogzilla is equipped with 12 sets of high-performance servos, 12 motion joints. It can flexibly change its own posture and realize a variety of bionic actions. Based on the built-in Bionic Gait algorithm, we achieve motion state superposition on Dogzilla. 9-axis IMU attitude sensor makes it possible to keep body balance at all times. When disturbed by external factor, the attitude sensor will help it return to its original direction of motion. We combine AI vision with the robot dog to give it the ability to perceive external information and realize more interesting interactive function, such as color recognition, color tracking, when Dogzilla detects a face, it can be like a real pet, shake hands, or acting cute. Dogzilla can obtain QR code instructions and perform corresponding actions. If you have enough area, you can play a funny soccer game with its partner. The height of Dogzilla can be adjusted at will so it can easily pass through various obstacles. We also designed an exclusive app for Dogzilla users can remote control it anywhere. With wireless handle, enjoy FPV remote control in real time. In addition to the above functions, Dogzilla can complete more interesting projects with the help of AI visual recognition technology, such as visual tracking climbing obstacles. It also supports synchronous control that is due to the current angle feedback of each joint in real time. Users can set some actions Dogzilla can accurately learn and perform. Come, let's dance together. A 0.91-inch OLED screen is convenient for developing and debugging. With silicone foot pole and ABS wear-resistant foot end, Dogzilla can walk in complex environments. As an open-source quadruped robot, Dogzilla is based on Python programming, using Robot Operating System and Support Developer Mode that can help users learn robotics quickly. Users can also control Dogzilla at any time through programming in the browser. In order to reduce the difficulties encountered by users when using, we provide 48 courses and codes help users quickly get started and experience Dogzilla. Everyone can redevelop it to make it what you want it to be. This is Yaboom Dogzilla Quadruped Robot. Your idea and coding can bring it more possibilities.